Turning the engine 1L37 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor has good, no damage, no broken, very nice. The turbo from this side didn't see any damages from outside, very good, very nice. And the turbo inside here, it's spin very good, no problem, and there is no up and down. Turbo is good, no problem. Engine come complete with computer box harness. Everything from this side is good. On top, all the sockets in good conditions, didn't see any damages. Same as well from this side, the starter didn't see any damages, no problem. Alternator is good, no problem, very good, very nice. Diesel pump didn't see any damages from this side. And down here the oil pump, gearbox good, no problem. And the engine is turning good.